we've got some really worn out range stove knob indicators. You can hardly read the high and low and the warm settings. I'm going to show you how you can change these out. It's actually really easy. They just pull off. So if you are afraid that you might break something, well, as long as you just pull it straight off, you're going to be good. So here goes changing these out.
A really easy one for you today on how to replace these knobs. Basically, they just slip off. There is actually an adjustment, especially for the oven knob, where you can adjust the temperature of the dial, just a little fine tuning there. But today I'm just replacing some discolored ones here, and so I'm going to be taking from this one, and in theory these just pull right off. That one on the side's just a little hard to pull off, but no big deal. Fun, fun, fun. Get it done. There we go. And just pull it right off. And you can see it's got the little tension clip there. No biggie. Back on, they just slip right on into place. You just have to line up the flat side of the hole, and it just pushes right onto place. Off lines up with the up knob, and on is there. Good to go.
So I was replacing another stove here, the stove you see in front of me, and just showing you the knobs that are replaced, how worn out they were. They were actually broken in the back of it, which you can see right here. The tension clip was missing. Anyway, all kinds of stuff. But I was able to recycle the parts from another stove. So nice, easy repair. You can also order new ones. You can get them through my Kung Fu Maintenance website. Check it out, kungfumaintenance.com. Just a little search in the upper right-hand box. You should find it, no problem. I make a little commission on anything you order there, so order up.